Do you believe that losing weight while sleeping is completely possible? It sounds like a dream, but science has proven that a good night's sleep combined with the right natural ingredients can boost your metabolism and help burn fat in your dreams. In this video, I, a natural health expert with over 10 years of research, will reveal to you the magic formula to help you sleep deeply, relax your mind, and activate the fat loss process overnight. Watch carefully, because if you miss just one step, the effect will be greatly reduced. The secret lies in the perfect combination of 6 natural ingredients. 1. Chamomile tea, nature's sedative. Not only does it help you relax, chamomile also contains apigenin, an active ingredient that helps increase sleepiness by binding to GABA receptors in the brain. 2. Green tea, the enemy of excess fat. Green tea is famous for its catechin EGCG, a substance that increases fat burning, reduces fat absorption and speeds up metabolism. 3. Cinnamon powder. Stabilizes blood sugar, reduces hunger. Cinnamon helps control insulin, reduces insulin resistance and supports fat burning. If you have prediabetes or are at risk of belly fat, cinnamon is a great help. 4. Cayenne pepper. Increases thermogenesis, burns calories. Capsaicin in cayenne pepper promotes thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat to burn energy. This activates brown fat and muscles to burn excess fat. 5. Honey. Stimulates sleep hormones and fat burning. A little honey before bed helps the brain release tryptophan, serotonin, melatonin, regulates the sleep cycle, and promotes growth hormone, GH. A hormone that helps burn fat effectively at night. Fat-burning elixir recipe while sleeping. Ingredients. 1 chamomile tea bag. 1 green tea bag. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1 pinch cayenne pepper. 1 to 2 teaspoons raw honey, preferably wild honey. 1 cup boiling water, 250 milliliters. How to make. Put 2 tea bags in a cup of boiling water. Add cinnamon powder and cayenne pepper. Stir gently. Simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Finally, add honey when the water has cooled down, below 50 degrees Celsius to preserve nutrients. Drink 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Important notes for optimal results. Do not use if you are sensitive to caffeine. However, chamomile tea will soften the effects of green tea. Combine with a clean diet, drink plenty of water, and exercise lightly every day. Avoid refined sugar and fast food. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Bonus. Why is it better to drink before bed than during the day? Because at night is when the body regenerates cells, detoxifies and produces growth hormones. Ideal conditions for burning fat. This drink not only supports deep sleep, but also activates endocrine glands to help burn energy effectively. Comment and share your feelings. Have you tried it yet? How do you feel after 7 days of regular drinking? Don't hesitate to share below. I will respond to all. If you find a video useful, please like, share and subscribe to receive more natural, safe and scientific weight loss tips every week.